In the fast-paced medical world, managing fabric assets efficiently is crucial. But outdated methods burden our heroes in healthcare. Lost assets, unclear inventories, and inefficient manual logging slow down operations. To risk secondary infections, our solution, a smart medical fabric management system. RFID tags sewn into each item ensure traceability. Automated scanning streamlines laundry management. Durable tags and intelligent cabinets transform storage and retrieval. Real-time data at your fingertips. Complete traceability from production to disposal. With data security and offline capabilities, we ensure a seamless implementation process, backed by comprehensive training and support. Reducing costs, saving time, and letting medical staff focus on what matters most. Join us in revolutionizing medical fabric management. Innovation for healthcare excellence. Discover more about our solutions today. Empower care, enhance safety.